got the photo.
Woo!
Hi.
How do you do that in sandals?
The rest of us are like, what is
What's up guys, Andy here, and I know it's been a while since I've made a video, but I wanted to make another quick vlog now that we have nice weather and we're out and about. It's been a long winter. We haven't done a lot because it's just been sitting at the house and not doing much, but today we're here at the Mary Ann Furnace Trail here in Hanover, Pennsylvania, along the Codorus Park, and we are going to be going on a hike with some friends from our church, and so I just wanted to bring you guys along, show you this trail. I've not been on this trail yet, but I'm excited to check it out. It seems like a pretty nice little trail, so join along with us. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. This is cool. I had no clue like we had anything like this over here.
It's like a
So this is a pretty fun trail, but I am painfully out of shape. This is a good way to get back in shape. More fun than working out. All right. I don't do snakes. And we are back. Back to the beginning where we started. This was a really fun hike. The kids did pretty good considering. I think it was like a 2-mile hike at least. But we are back. Pretty fun.
Thanks so much for watching this video. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to the channel and check out some of our other videos.